How to lock emo app with passcode. Hey there everyone, welcome back to this guiding studio. So if you want to completely secure your emo app using passcode, then here's the step-by-step guide of how you can do this. It's super easy, but before we start the video, if you're new to this channel, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because it really helps me out. Well, so now to lock emo app on any Android phone, simply go and open up the emo application from your device first, and then go and tap on the profile icon at the top left. And from the profile, simply go ahead and tap on security and privacy. Now inside this one, you'll get to see the passcode lock. You can go ahead and tap on these and tap on enable. Now enter a passcode that you want. So I'm going to enter a passcode, and you just need to re-enter the passcode right over here. And once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. The passcode will be enabled, and also you can unlock with your fingerprint if you want to. You can enable this feature as well, but I'm not going to do this. You can set an auto lock time. You can actually set individual time, and also you can do with the every time. So I'm gonna just select the every time from here, and I'm gonna get back from here. Now every time I'm gonna open up the email application, this will require the pin code. So you just need to enter the pin code and you'll get into the chat. And this is how you can lock your emo app with passcode. Hope you find this very helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.